Hello. Well, it must be at least a few weeks since I last did an unboxing video, and despite the fact that no one watches them, I'm going to keep doing them because there are a lot of books coming in which I seem to have written in. So this has just arrived. Thank you to the postman. And I had a quick peek. I wasn't sure what it was. I thought it might be this. So I have just opened it, but I've only peeked inside. I haven't actually looked at the book. It is, very excitingly, this. The Art of Opposition, edited by Scott Prasser and David Clune, and it's published in Australia, so I've gone international, and I've written the chapter on the UK. Most of the chapters in here are about opposition in Australia, which I'm very much looking forward to reading, but there are some very, very good writers in here on all aspects of opposition. It's got a foreword by Philip Norton, Lord Norton of Louth. It's got a chapter by Louise Thompson at Manchester on minority parties and opposition roles in the UK. There's bits on the loyal opposition in Canada and in the USA. Lots of great chapters in there. I'm really looking forward to getting stuck into this. You can buy it now on Amazon. It's available, and I highly recommend it, and not just because I've written in it. Yeah, well, join me again next time I open something that I'd forgotten that I wrote.